Morning YouTube. Hope you can see me alright. Try not to blind you in the sun. It's Sunday late morning and started me training for the West Highland Way. It's going to be done before July. Don't know a date yet, but that's the plan. So I better get out and do some proper training. Hopefully Michael's going to do it with me, brother-in-law Michael. He's got a back injury at the moment, so get well soon, Mike. And when you are better, get your arse out there training. So yeah, I thought I need a big hill to climb up as a bit of a training exercise, and what bigger hill around here than the Clee Hill. So going up there. So I'm working my way around the bridleway at the moment, which follows this fence line, and then we take a little scoot up, straight up to what they call the Giant's Chair. So I think I'm here actually. No, I've got a bit further to the farm, and then there's a track going on up there. So we'll see you later. It's a bit snowy and a bit icy. Ugh, I've got my thermals on, so we're alright. And when I get at the top, I brought my stove, so we'll get to the top, we're having a coffee. Okay, just have a look at the view. It is rather nice. Not to walk. Sorry about that. We are back on the air. I had a lot of trouble with GoPro batteries, kept dying on me, so it's becoming a bit tedious to keep stopping and unpacking a new one, trying it, and then it died. I think it's probably the temperature, but so unfit. I have just come up there, so that's Clee Hill Common. So we've come Cleaton St Mary over there and come along and then up, and the up. To do a bit, stop, do a bit, stop, do a bit, and still got a bit more to do yet. That's the Giant's Chair up there. That is the top, the trig point. So gonna battle my way up there and then look out for somewhere for a coffee. Oh, excuse the heavy breathing. I think this is called the Giant's Chair. And there's a view. That's the Brown Clee over there. So that's a walk yet to be done. Apparently start here or the other end and walk to the other one. I think that's got to be on the agenda. Anyway, that's the trig point. So I'm going up there. I'm not going to hang around long. So I've got some visitors, and then going to get off, find a bit of shelter and get the kettle on. I mean, it's bloody cold and I am so knackered. My little legs are aching. But hey ho, we're here, and I haven't had a stroke, so I'll call that a bonus. There we are, trig point. This fella, gonna have a cup of tea. There's the radars, and we're heading back over there. So there's the view. Ludlow over there in the distance. Oh, but you can't hear a thing of that, can you? Anyway, I'm going to get out of here. Not sure the best way down. It's making my way over there. I'll get the map out. Okay, we've done it. Getting out of here. See you later. There's all the old quarry workings. Now what we're going to do, I think, is go down to where those cars are parked and then go up. Over to that. Oh, you won't see it on here. Anyway, that's where we're going, over there. But there's the view. I'm going to work my way down here now, past the old quarry. Oh, right, let's get going. I have to say, this bit's been a bit dicey. Ugh, now, it doesn't look as bad from here, but I'm only trying to come down it. One slip, and you're going in, and there's rocks in amongst this. Way up. Oh. And we're down, and there's no wind. Good place for a cup of tea here, I think. Right here. And all. I'm knackered. Right, finish this and then head off. There's all the old quarry workings. Up here, quite a place in its day. James Bond coming over, look. Balls of steel flying up there in this weather. Okay, we're going to leave the road now and we're going to head up here to a famous thing called the Three Forked Pole, which is like a junction of all the major footpath routes up here, and then that should link up with a place called Magpie Hill, and that will take me directly down an old incline to Catherton Common. And if it all works out right, the girlies are up there horse riding. I've never actually done this route as a loop before, so I hope it works. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, we've just done. They're the best views behind you, and look at that. There's the old radar stations up there. Is the Three Forked Pole. I head to that on the merry way home from here. It's bleak up here. Ooh. There you go, it's a bit of a landmark. I don't know how old that is, but pretty ancient. Right, excuse me, so here we are back the other side. So what kind of happened back in the day, they quarried out of Clee Hill. I don't know whether all of it or a lot of it would have been brought down over to here, and then this little incline was the start of that system, that overhead aerial cable thingy that went down to Catherton. So it started on here, straight across the common, right the way over to the other side, and then it did a down to Catherton and then across to Catherton. Here we are, Magpie Hill. So I'm heading down into that lot somewhere. That looks a bit flopped there, doesn't it? Oh dear. How the hell has he got that there? Jesus. He ain't getting it out of there in a hurry. Maybe he got it up there. Yeah, my GoPro bracket's just disintegrated on me, so I'm going to put it away in my pocket. Okay. See you later. Oh, back on Catherton Common now. I've come down from that hill. I'm just working my way over towards where Lexi is, and I found this rather weird looking ice sculpture down there, look. Right, I found my little path, so I'm just heading up there now, and I'll probably do me, actually I'll probably end my little video here, unless they're being ages, in which case I'll walk home. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I needed that. Got me out and about. Bit chilly on the top, but it was a bit of fun. And more training required, crikey. Been out of condition. I got very busy at work in January and got out of me sink of little walks and going on the step machine and all that, so gonna have to up my game a bit if we're gonna do this trek. So anyway, more to come. See you on the next one. Bye bye. And I made it. I'm here at the horse yard and here's Lexi doing her thing. There's old Rupert watching. Oh, look out. Right, that really is it. I'm putting the kettle on. Thank you for watching.